What's going on, guys? We are back yet again. Today is Saturday morning. It's pretty early. We are going to be heading out to Bowling Green, Kentucky for Holley LS Fest East 2018, and we are in the parking lot waiting for a couple more people, and then we're going to head out. It's going to be an awesome day. Stay tuned. Guys, we're getting close. We're almost there. There's the Holley headquarters out in Bowling Green. There it is, the Mecca. Almost there. Oh yeah. Here we are, guys. Guys, so we made it out here. We're at Bowling Green Beach Bend Raceway, and there are a ton of vendors, a bunch of people already getting their cars ready to go. It's early still. It's about 8 o'clock, and the weather looks pretty good. It was pretty sick yesterday, still getting over a cold, but it's going to be a blast. It's going to be a good time. Got Cleetus Mcfarland's tent and trailer park. There's the Dale truck. It's nasty. And down here in Vendor Row, 1320. Got a bunch of stuff down here, guys. Over here at Texas Speed's booth, they got their 6th gen out here. Got the Copo hood on it and intake. This thing hauls ass, a stick shift car. Really gutted. This is the one that Cleetus Mcfarland drove and got into the 9s. Pretty awesome. Dang. Look at these Frankenstein fucking intakes. Holy shit. These things are massive in person. I've never seen one in person before. Those are pretty. Track prepped and it dried off. It rained last night, so they're trying to get the track dried off before all of it starts.
Little Ripper's going back here. Little Ripper is a spare. She's on rotation. I don't want an LS. Little Ripper's on rotation. check that block. I feel like something special was in it.
It was saying, I'm telling you, it was
Very just in there.
okay. That's polished though. Yeah, I'm not. You know, a lot of times when you're doing a
reaction time within 3,000 of a second, 0.77 on the jig side of the racetrack. Brent Huntsman and Kenneth Wyman coming up. Wyman from Vincent, Tennessee, and Huntsman from Alberton, Kentucky. Operates the auto repair business up there, 2002 Trans Am and
right, so the day's good so far. Bunch of badass cars, a ton. I mean, look at this line, just for one class. Absolutely insane. The turnout's amazing. I'm pitching a ride from some fans right now. Heck yeah! Fans of the channel. So we're out cruising around, trying to check out more things before we get back to the racing. So I hope you guys are enjoying it so far. My shirts and stickers. Say thank you. Oh yeah, man. No problem.
Thanks so much.
Yeah, no problem. So we're getting in the nighttime here at LS Fest. Cars have been running insane times. It's been awesome, having a blast. We got some fans of the channel over here rocking the merch. Hey. Rocking the merch. Hell yeah. I appreciate you guys. Make sure you're putting summer air in there. We need none of that winter air.
This is actually not air. This is a blend of nitrous and nitrogen mixed with a little bit of horsepower. The secret to go 7s on a stick shift car.
There you go. The secret's out.
Multiple amounts of secrets to make the thing go fast.
Air's a little bit better too now. Hey, we're over here. We got the Texas Speed car. This is a heads cam 6th gen. Heads cam, it's gutted, stick shift car. Thing runs 990s. Absolutely crazy to see just a heads cam car that quick. It's impressive for what it is. So they're about to run again. They ran a 990 earlier. They're trying to get a little bit lower. Well, that's it, guys, for the drag racing. They called it for the night. The rain finally hit, and that's going to be it. Unless it just stops and they dry the track, but I doubt they will. It's already pretty late in the night. I don't see them starting it back up. It would be sweet if they did, but I think that's going to be it. But we'll see. I'm not quite sure right now. But they just sent everybody that was in the lanes back. So it may be over. Not sure. Him and Jared went somewhere on the pit bikes. It's like lining up a golf shot. Let her rip. Oh! That is so badass.
Oh, there's the power lines over there too. Fly over the drift course, scare them.
Guys, it's the next morning. We had an absolute blast. It's a bummer it got rained out, but the rain was supposed to be there all day and it held out, so I can't complain. Dream come true. I got to hang out with Cleetus, Cooper, James, the whole crew, Sketchy Vert, Texas Speed, a bunch of the guys. They ended up wanting me to stay late in the night after everything was shut down, and we all hung out. We're BSing, had a beer or two. Saw Cleetus flying his plane over the racetrack. It was hilarious. Road racing on pit bikes, just a bunch of fun, man. They're great guys. If you haven't seen their channel, which if you haven't, I'm very surprised. You can go check them out at Cleetus Mcfarland's YouTube channel. Sketchy Vert just started his YouTube channel. Follow him on Instagram, Facebook, whatever. They're great guys. They actually want me to come down to Cleetus and Cars in October to hang out, and then probably going to head down to Streetcar Takeover Atlanta with meet up with Justin and film some footage there and hang out and have a good time. If you guys want to go to that, absolutely check it out. I'll probably be there. If you see me, say what's up. But overall, great time, guys. I'm glad you guys stopped in and hung out with me. It's great to see some fans. You know, it's the first time I've ever had people come up to me randomly that I've never met before and, you know, say they're fans of the channel and they watch the videos and stuff. It's awesome to start seeing the support around the events, and you know, I can't thank you guys enough. That's going to be it for this episode, guys. Make sure you stay tuned. We got the Project RX-8 here. It's been on the back burner for the last week because we've been pretty busy, but we're going to get rolling on it again soon, so stay tuned for future videos. Make sure if you like this video, hit the like button. Make sure you subscribe. Hit that notification bell next to the subscribe button to get notifications when we post new videos. That's going to do it, guys. We will see you later.